What's going on? Mr. Dave here on the Rock Pile up in Poway, California. Hope you're having a good day. It is Christmas time. Merry Christmas, everybody! And we are working on this remodel job, and it's kind of a remodel slash rebuild job, as you've seen in the past videos. So let's show you guys what we have done since we were last walking and talking. So the entire rock face has been built over with brand new steel, 4,000 PSA concrete. This whole center portion here has been rebuilt, concreted in, and we took, this was a grotto with a wall, a roof right here all the way out. We took that out. We're now making a waterfall with a nice place to sit down. It's been waterproof. That's that darker color. And we are working our way up and having to do the same treatment we did to this rock there and this one. You can see it's been started there. And if I get a little closer, you can see how we do that. These things are all hollow and cracking and falling apart. I mean, you can just tell the sound. It's just not much structural strength there. So we're having to rebuild everything and then put a 2 to 3 inch coat of concrete over that, which is what we've done all the way down this whole section right here. This one we jackhammered out, cut massive amounts of palm tree roots out. Redid some of the steps here to cut down on the riser height because they're pretty big risers. We're gonna maybe fart around with some of that going down. This whole boulder, same kind of thing. We're doing the facing with rebar, 8 to 10 inches on center. Same thing we did there last night. We did that and built that up. We're going to continue that process going down, and this one we're going to roll over and again cover it with this concrete covering, and that will all be texture coated. We waterproofed everything. We're going to do that as well here. Put some waterproofing on the back, some of that Aqua Block XL. There's a drain there, so we'll get some more gravel. This has kind of gotten mixed in. The dirt's been mixed in as time goes by, and it just crumbles on down and mixes in with the gravel, and that seals in some of these drains so they don't work as well, and that drives water down and through these rocks, and they can end up with some of that scaly, flaky stuff going on. There's that surface. You can see this project here was already remodeled once, and they just plastered over what was there. This is the former thing, and then it just popped off right along here, and so we're rebuilding all that. The whole thing was built with mortar, not concrete, so it's not too hard to get rid of what's there. And so we're going to be wrapping these again with our rebar structures and then giving them a coat. This was all put on there last night, just regular 4,000 PSA concrete, and if your angle of repose is pretty moderate, not too steep, you can just pack it right up, and it just sits there. Sticks right there, so you don't always need to have a bunch of chicken wire and all that stuff going on. So these steps are pretty high when it comes down, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to get all that figured out and get that dialed in, but we're going to be continuing to work around this whole feature and get it all dialed in. All will have brand new surfacing, just about all of it, and we added a new rock cover over the decomposed granite rock that was there right here, and so that's all been just concrete. We epoxied, we put steel into the whole thing, bent them over, wrapped them around, cold grid, and got that all dialed in with some concrete, new concrete going all the way up. Got some nice cracks and stuff, and we made a step. So all the way up, we waterproofed the backside plus Aqua Block XL all along this area, and this is going to be backfilled with gravel, brand new clean gravel drain here. We kind of made a nice little spot for it to attach to. This rock we're going to be filling with more concrete, and you use the rubble from it to fill in the gaps between the steel. So all this extra concrete rubble, just put it in here as a filler. That's all it has to be, and it's really a really quick, efficient way. You don't have to rebuild everything. So these rocks are continuing to do the steel shaping to encase everything into a rock shape, and then cover it with all the concrete we need to get that back to where it needs to be. As I walk down, this whole deck's going to be redone with pavers like they've got over here in the back. So all this concrete, we've been bringing it in by hand. Daniel's been bringing it in. My son Daniel's been just grinding it out, man. I think we're over 8,000 pounds of concrete by now. So anyways, all that climbing around gets my breath. So anyway, Mr. Dave here on the rock pile. Thank you for watching the videos. Please subscribe. Send them out to somebody. Do something creative, fun. Always seek to do that which you love to do and learn how to love what you're doing anyway, every day. Remember to be thankful and forgiving. The key to a happy life, thankfulness and forgiveness. A good way to go. So anyway, davehenderson.podia.com, where you can get free stuff on how we do this, and also courses there. And I've got a new course coming out pretty soon on doing what you love to do. I can teach you how to do what you love to do for a living. That would be pretty cool. Do what you love. So awesome. So thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas to you. And if it's not Christmas time, Merry Christmas to you anyway. All right. Jesus is coming back, so get him in your heart, and he'll clean you up, and he can get you able to be in the presence of Almighty God. It's just amazing. So, free gift. Just got to say, okay, I need your help. I need your forgiveness. I need your love and your amazing. I need a relationship with Jesus, and it's an awesome thing. Makes life better in the now. And the future is pretty cool too, I would say. So, anyway, Mr. Dave here, just rambling on as usual. Have a great day, and God bless you guys. And we'll see you next time on the Rock Pile. All right.